Faster, simpler, stronger. A redefined NCB now in the second year of its transformation into the Bank of the Future, NCB 2.0. The bank holding its annual general meeting on Friday in reflective mood after coming off a stellar 2016-2017 financial year.
We are pleased to have achieved our highest ever net profit of $19.1 billion.
Music to the ears of shareholders and staff as well. The NCB chairman Michael Lee Chin outlining how much it meant to staff, comparing the sentiments at the financial company's last Christmas party to the first one he held when he bought the majority stake in the entity in 2002.
In 2002, I said, staff, tell me, what do the letters NCB mean to you? No Christmas bonus. 2 years later, same Christmas party. That's 2004 now. Staff, what do the letters NCB mean to you? Nice Christmas bonus. This last year, a month ago, same Christmas party. Staff, what do the letters NCB mean to you? Enough Christmas bonus.
Management of the company charged to do even better, taking the bank in a different direction. Agility the focus, technology the means.
For the coming year, our focus will be to seriously engage our digital ambition of becoming agile at scale.
The organization structure ripped apart as well and redefined.
And we have adopted a framework from one of the most successful digital natives in terms of our focus on organizational culture and renewal. There are 4 components to this framework. The first component is described as true customer obsession. In other words, a relentless focus on how we can improve and enhance and sustain the customer experience over a long period of time.
Expansion overseas also in focus. 2 announced in 2017, 1 completed so far. But the big focus on becoming a majority shareholder in regional insurer Guardian Holdings. NCB now holding just under 30% of that entity, facing opposition in Trinidad and Tobago because it is paying different prices for the shares it wants to shareholders. But the company insisting it is doing nothing wrong. But moving into 2018, NCB continues to rack up record profits, over $4.6 billion of profit in the October to December quarter, and indicating it could have been better.
For the period, 2 of our business segments reported losses. Our retail banking segment with over $600 million in redundancy costs, while our general insurance segment had accelerated claim payments in excess of $1.1 billion compared to what would normally be just about $600 million.
With expectations that things will normalize soon and more acquisitions, $19 billion in profits last year could be child's play for NCB in the future. For the Business Review, I am Dashan Hendricks.